Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I am going to be seeing my long distance boyfriend. So now I'm gonna go to Target and get all the supplies that I need. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god, this is so awkward to film in public.
Years later.
Hello, Rosy Matcha viewers. Hey, what the heck? Wait, you're copying me.
Baby, you are copying me.
What is going on? It happens to me every single day, you guys. Every single time. Even the outfit color, she loves to copy me. I swear.
Yeah, sure. Oh, what's that? Simp. Just
Yes, I am a simp. Reunited once again.
Yay!
Can we get some getting going? Can we get some good music going?
Just being dramatic. So are you excited for my vlog?
Of course I'm excited. I'm always excited when Rosie comes.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for
Okay, let's take some more. Follow us on Instagram to see the pictures, you guys.
Good job.
I'm well trained.
This might be the most boring vlog.
We are going to this random hill to go see the city.
Hey.
Chill for a bit because I don't know what to do. Rosie needs rest and
Yeah, I do. I'm like really sleepy and he actually helping me to stay awake.
doing both. I'm like making sure she's not doing too much, but I'm making sure she's staying awake.
Yes.
Yes.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
We're gonna be asking each other questions.
Okay, you go first.
You're saying
Aren't you so good at questions?
what's your favorite thing about me?
Everything. I think
Everything? That's a lie. Maybe it's blurry? No. Or maybe I'm just blind.
you're just blind. Anyways, my favorite thing about Rosie, she makes me so happy. She's effortlessly funny.
But the way you said it, it sounds staged.
My favorite thing about Rosie, she's just my favorite person in the entire world.
I know.
And she makes me so happy, like literally my favorite person to talk to, like
But like,
ever.
you don't look happy, babe. You look depressed.
And like content creating like I am. And she supports me in everything that I do. And she's just so heartwarming, and
Sorry.
And like look at her. What a thing of beauty. She's so pretty.
What else should I ask you? How many teeth do I have? What is your favorite moment of us together?
There's so many. It's like
Now you have to pick one.
It's so hard. Our first picnic together, that was like by far like one of my favorites. That one really isn't uploaded on YouTube. The time I surprised you, that was really fun.
Like I told them, park is closed. Closes at 10:30, so you guys can't be here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, we just got kicked out, man.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna finish the question. Everything, I don't know, just literally everything.
Me too, everything. Just always take care of me. And that is so sweet. I'm not selling my boyfriend. How much you like me, baby?
How much do I like you?
Uh-huh.
I'm getting nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Because I don't know how to say it.
You see? Love is fake.
Ever since I met Rosie, this gonna sound so cringe.
Just say it.
It's like I've never felt like more comfortable with a person like ever in my life. It was so easy for me, myself, like everything about me to like be comfortable around you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
So like, chill. From the start, like really liked you a lot. You know, I'm really like stubborn. I don't like to surround myself with a lot of people. Only like certain people that I like let around like my certain circle. And like Rosie got into like that deep circle like so fast, like crazy.
Because I'm special. I have to hold both of the camera?
Yes.
Maybe I can hold it. I need to go to the gym.
Hold it on the end, babe. Right here, on the end. No. Here.
No, I'm gonna drop it.
No, you're not.
You were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. God, I never felt so dizzy. What is happening? Couldn't look it to the better. 보면 감이 부셔. Oh, baby.
I had an idea. Don't look. Close your eyes. Okay.
What if I wanna pee?
I think I have to poop actually. There's. Okay. Just gonna dump it. Okay, this is the meal of the day.
Got lime.
Lemon.
Oh, yeah, lemons.
Okay, you can go get. Oh, I have to go too. Yeah.
Oh, we have to cut it? Unless you want to put the whole thing.
Let's go, Chapu. Right now, Rosie's eating some fried fish. She's gonna force me to eat this because I don't eat fried fish.
So crispy.
Actually, that's not that bad. It's not that bad.
You wanna eat more?
No. Actually, you know what? I will. I want to try one with the eye.
It's better, babe.
It's a little rough, yes. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us.
They have ice cream. Can you guys see it? Oh,
For your mind, just dancing underwater right now.
The one in the middle?
yeah.
We're both blind.
If I see you guys in public, I don't say hi to you guys. It's because I'm like this.
Because we actually don't know what we're looking at.
Taste test. Rate it 1 to 10. 11.
It's blurry, baby. Blurry.
No, it's not. Yeah, you're my best view.
Next to your lady because she loves time belongs you. This hotel was built for the sake of love. This hotel was a gift to his wife.
Oh.
Because she loved. Because she was a
Maybe so you can.
to Venice.